Hey, it's John. Welcome back to Talking Shop. It's been about a year since my last post, but a lot has happened in the shop in the past year. A lot of things have changed. We've built some things. We've got a lot of new equipment, a lot of progress on things like the C10 over here, which I'm excited to show you. Soon we'll be posting videos more regularly. We'll be doing some build videos, some shop videos, some equipment videos. And today I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of like to welcome myself back to the channel, but also to highlight this stand that I picked up the other day for my welder. This is a small welder. It's a 110 welder. It's a Hobart Handler 140, and I could talk separately about that. But today I want to focus on the stand, which I picked up at Harbor Freight the other day for $34. That's after a 20% coupon. This stand, you can definitely find a more expensive stand. I think Clutch sells a stand very similar shape. The Harbor Freight stuff is typically based off of another brand's exact copy. And this stand, I believe, is based off a Clutch stand. That stand retails for about $140, $149, plus you have to pay delivery. This you can pick up at Harbor Freight for $34 after a coupon. Now, it's definitely not the same build quality as the Clutch would be, but it does what it needs to do. It holds kind of all your equipment, all your safety gear, a couple of everything you need, and it secures the tank in the back, so you have no chance of the tank falling off. These things are under pretty high pressure, so if it hits the ground, you could be in a pretty dangerous situation pretty quickly. It's good to have this thing on a stand. Obviously, this is not any kind of paid endorsement for this thing. If you're interested in this stand, please just consider it. If you're like me, you're always looking for the different pieces of your welder, or finding your welder that's on the ground, or maybe there's dust on it or something. This stand keeps it off the ground, keeps it accessible, and makes it so when you want to weld something, you can just pull it over and get started. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon, and have a great day.